First is prisoner squat. Focus on quadriceps, glutes, 10 to 15 repetition, 3 set. This is side view of prisoner squat. Now basic squat. Half squat hold. Start with 20 seconds, 3 set. Move to 45 seconds, 3 set. Sumo squat. Focus on quads, glutes, thighs. Drop up to parallel to the ground. 15 repetition, 3 set. Next is horse stance. Start with 20 seconds, 3 set. Rest 15 seconds between each set. Move to 45 seconds to 3 set. Next is squat side kick. Focus on side thigh flexors. 10 repetition, 3 set each side. Heel raise. 20 repetition, 3 set. Focus on calf muscles, soleus, ankle mobility. Next is single leg squat. Back straight, hold ankle from behind. 8 to 10 repetition, 3 set each leg. Next is single leg squat with ground touch. Focus on quads and glutes, gluteus maximus. 8 to 10 repetition, 3 set each side. Next is single leg chair hold. Your back should be straight. Focus on isometric hold of thighs and glutes. 15 to 20 seconds hold, 3 set. This is side view of this exercise. Next, the variation is half squat on toes. You should balance yourself on toes. Focus on ankle and knee stability. 20 to 40 seconds, 3 set. This is side view of this exercise. Split squat. Focus on glutes. Your knee should be at 90-degree angle with the ground. 10 to 15 repetition, 2 sets with reverse side. Side step squat. 20 to 30 seconds, 2 set. On toes shifting. Your back should be straight. Now this is a water break. You have to take a 1 sip at least. Now roll to squat. 8 to 10 repetition, 3 set. Use the momentum to stand up. Next is pistol squat. It is an advanced variation of squat. Focus on glutes, groin and knee stability. First, proceed from 5 to 10 repetition, 2 set each leg. Next is hamstring extension. 10 to 15 repetition, 3 set. Focus on hamstring, hip joint mobility. Next is curtsy squat. Focus on groin, hip adductors. 10 repetition, 3 set each leg. Next is archer squat. Focus on groin, hip mobility. 10 repetition, 3 set for each leg. Next is diagonal split squat. 10 to 15 repetition, 3 set each side. Focus on lateral thigh and groin. Next is side squat with cross kick. 10 to 15 repetition, 3 set each side. Focus on anterior thigh flexors and hip mobility. Both sides you have to perform. Next is forward lunge squat. 10 to 15 repetition, 3 set. Next is back lunge squat. 10 to 15 repetition, 3 set. The last and the final exercise is split squat walk. 20 to 40 seconds, 2 set. You should start from 20 seconds and up to 40 seconds.